Hi, if you are here to learn how to make this necklace, then just drop everything else and watch this tutorial now. Hi, I'm Mia. I teach you how to make the necklace, and during the tutorial I also give you some designer tips and tricks, so keep watching. For the tutorial purpose, I am going to make this pattern with the usual red and black seed beads, but we will play with the colors in the bonus section of our tutorial. I'm talking about the flower color, which will be the circle, and then the center color, which will go obviously in the center. So this is what I'm talking about. We start our chain by picking up 8 seed beads and then creating a circle by going back through the first seed bead. Give yourself some tails so you can hold the work. And now we add the center, so a different seed bead color. 1, 2, 3, so skip 3, go through the 4th, and this is the first flower. And now we start our repeating pattern. We create what I would call connector. So we pick up 2 seed beads and go through the seed bead under the one where the thread comes out and the one where the thread comes out. And then the thread, we move the thread at the bottom of this connector. So this would be the connector area. Now we create the bottom of the flower, and for this we pick up 3 seed beads in the color of the new flower and the color of the center. And we go back up through the second seed bead from the bottom, the way we work. This was the second sequence, and the third sequence is to pick up 3 seed beads in the color of the flower and then go back through the first seed bead. And this is the pattern that we keep repeating. Let's make another one together. So we have 2 seed beads. We start the connector. 2 seed beads in the color of the next flower. In this case, because we have only 2 colors, it's an obvious choice. And we move the thread. We turn, we flip the work, so you have this thread going down. Now we pick up 3 seed beads in the color of the flower and 1 center. Go back up the second seed bead. And now we work on the top, so we add 3 seed beads in the color of the flower and go back down the first seed bead after the center bead. And this is how we repeat. And now we can start playing. Let's add another color, the third color, which would be this yellow. And we follow the same idea. So we decide when we are here before starting the connector what would be the color, the next color of the next flower. So let's say that we go with a yellow flower. So we just pick the color of that new flower and we move the thread down. We flip the work over just because it's easier, and now we continue with 3 seed beads of the flower and 1 of the center. Is really up to you what you decide for the center. Could be the red, could be the black, doesn't make a difference. And now we finish the top of the flower by picking up 3 and go back through the next. I don't think this color, you can see it too well on the camera. Using this very easy pattern you can create layered necklaces, and I will just show you that in a future tutorial. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I encourage you to comment, to like and subscribe, and see you on our next tutorial. Ciao ciao!